You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in this video, we are going to take a close look at another Dragon Ball figure. But this time, it's going to be from the brand Masterlies. I already did a lot of reviews about these products, and I must say, overall, I was always satisfied about the quality. So I just wanted to pick up this Dendy figure just to see what I were going to get. So let's do this unboxing together. Okay, so I left it in the seal because I wanted to do this unboxing together with you. And let's take a close look in the inside. The quality of the cardboard is like this very normal thick cardboard what we have seen with previous Masterlife products. Let's see to keep it in okay condition. Oh, I hate this freaking tape. Let's see what we're going to get in the inside. We're going to get ourselves the plastic packaging. We do have plastic, and also we do have like the completely cardboard. These things are a little bit of an annoying thing to storage because you need to save the plastics, or that is something that I'm doing because I'm always keeping the boxes in my storage. Alright, so let's cut off all of the tape. Let's see what are we going to get on the inside. Let's fold it over like that. Inside we're going to get ourselves the figure itself, and I must say that I'm very pleased with the results, what they did. So everything is made of plastic. I'm going to be very gentle with his antennas, but in overall, when you're looking at it, like his facial expression is absolutely cool. Like, what a nostalgia piece. Like, when you're looking at the quality, the mold, you do see like this tiny line over here, but there is nothing like really annoying. There is a mispaint over here, but in overall, this thing looks pretty cool. So it comes with the Dragonballs. Let's see how these things will look. Oof. You do see like they're like very made of thick plastic. I have seen myself some Dragonballs, even like one that are made from glass. But it's pretty damn cool to have this in the collection, and that comes with this. So let's do a quick display. Okay, so what is also very interesting, we do like get this tiny like support for the character itself, even that it stands very well. And then we do have like this plastic that we can put the Dragonballs in. So that is very cool. Okay, so let's talk about the Dendy figure. So in overall, I'm very pleased with the quality. So it will be like, and maybe in the future, something that will happen, that it will like bootleg. So maybe I'll pick it up in the future. But for now, I'm very pleased to have this one in the collection, the original one, because these are like way better quality. Oh, by the way, so let's add ourselves the Dragonballs and make this diorama complete. But when you're looking at Dendy in combination with Dragonballs, it's going to be so cool displaying this in my collection in combination with a Shenron Dragon. And overall, like, I think it's a very good quality. I love it. It's going to be like memory lane for me, like watching and unboxing this, because I have so many fond memories with Dragon Ball Z, the original series back today. Yeah, the balls itself, I must say that I find it okay quality. Like, they feel not like really cheap, even they look cheap. But maybe in the future I will upgrade these like with the glass ones you can buy from AliExpress. But nevertheless, I want to thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, hit that little bell, become one of the Wicked family. And that would be just so cool to see you in the next video. Then we're going to unbox some more awesome stuff here.